We have seen it fit to tour border from Nyanga to Chipinge. As you know very well, Manicaland, we are privileged to share the same border with Mozambique, a country which is a sea line. Us, we are landlocked. So we are very keen to see the GDP, the gross domestic product of Manicaland rising, as well as the Zimbabwe. Issues of trade cannot be divorced from border posts and the borders. So Zimbabwe, in Manicaland, with the Forbes Border Post, I'm glad to say it's being revamped. The government, heavily led by our president, Dr. Zim Mnangagwa, has revamped the Bed Bridge border post. Now they have moved him to spruce up and put up a spectacular border post at Forbes Border Post. The company Forbes, it's called Forbes Border. I can't remember the name, but the same company that did the Bed Bridge border post is the same company that's going to refurbish the Forbes Border Post. And I'm told they are now at the procurement stage. So we are happy with that one. But we are not so happy with the other border, the rest of the border in certain portions. This is one such portion that we have. Of course, the same company that's going to refurbish Forbes Border Post is going to spruce up and put up a real border post at Kesho Valley. Right, so we're going to have a Chipuspunga border post, and then we have Kesho Valley. We also are advocating for a border post at Wonde Valley, as it were, so that we have our border posts, the 4 or 5 of them, all operating well and for the benefit of trade. Now, this area that we have started by, it's very crucial because we have received information that there are a lot of illegal activities that may be taking place around this area. So we've said, no, let's start with it and see for ourselves what the terrain is like and whether we can identify ourselves, even as laymen, any weaknesses that we will recommend for tightening up and the sprucing up as it were. So we've gone along. We have been on the other side of Vumba. We are now on the other side, and we've seen what we have seen. But I'm happy to say that our forces are on the ground. We've got our police, our army, and the other security departments on the ground, and we are emphasizing to them the need to tighten up the screws and to make sure there are no illegal activities, no smuggling, because our president sufficient 2030 cannot be reached if we have too many loopholes that causes unnecessary losses of revenue and so on. But I must say to those who may be doing these shenanigans, please, the time is up. Stop it. We don't want. We will not tolerate as government any such activities, and this country is being taken to another level by our top here. We don't want anything that disturbs that trajectory. Right. So we have gone around. We've been seeing the borderline. What I can say is that yes, our men are on the ground. Yes, our men are doing their best to make sure the illegal activities are curtailed. But my recommendation is really, as a layman though, but my recommendation is that we need, looking at the terrain, the way the Vumba are set up in terms of the geography of the area is concerned, I think the modern technology of drones or even in a helicopter would need to be employed time and again.